Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove copper rivets from your toque or wheel holder or steel holder, whatever holder you might be using. So first thing you'll need is either a flathead or a chisel, anything that you can hammer the back end of, a Dremel with a cutting tool, a cutter, and another cutter that you can use to actually reach inside and pull your rivet out if it gives you a lot of trouble. So the first thing we're going to do is obviously use our safety glasses for protection. Second thing we're going to do is we're just going to cut a nice cross in the copper rivet itself. What this will do is, number one, break the ring, and secondly, it'll make the copper nice and hot, so it'll be a little bit more malleable. So I'm going to start by doing that right now. Safety glasses on.
Bye, guys.
Okay. All right, see you later.
Doesn't want me to tell you when I was leaving, okay? But she doesn't want you to accept any money. I'm like, okay.
All right, no free sharpenings.
All right.
All right, have it going. Okay, so now that we've got the copper rivet split, oof, it kind of did go a little bit too deep there, but that's all right. Yeah, definitely pay attention to the leveling. So yeah, now we're just going to take our flathead, break off that piece. Next, we'll take our flathead one more time and just push in at this end, trying to spin that ring now that it's split. Let's try going in from the other side. There we go. As you can see, the ring pops right off. Okay, now the back end of the copper rivet has been mushroomed. So now we're going to have to take our cutters, go underneath there, and cut off the top. Alright, that hit the camera, man. Sorry about that. That's why we're wearing safety glasses. Okay, now you can take off your safety glasses and take your nice pointed chisel and just tap the back end until it okay, there you go. That's enough going, that's protruding out of the boot enough to now we can take it. I'll flip it around. Take our cutter that we can use to pull and just I may need to hammer this guy out just a little bit more if I can't exactly get under the copper rivet, but hold on. Yeah, I can't get under it, so I'm gonna take my pointed end and hammer it one more time. Let's try that again. All right, just end the video. This is terrible.